Okay, the next part or the next case that I'll be presenting to you is that the object is somewhere between F and the vertex. Okay, so when the object is between F and V, now this one's a little bit more tricky. So we'll make sure we're paying close attention, and we'll start off with the first rule that we have the light ray. Okay, the light ray moves parallel to the principal axis and it is reflected back to the focus, right? It reflects through the F. That's it. I hope that is straight. Okay, we have here our incident ray, and then we have our reflected ray. Next, rule number 2, the ray will pass through the focus and then parallel. We cannot do that yet because look at the image. The image is formed also at the focus. Okay, so we can use rule number 3, and that is from the top of the object passing through the curvature. It will pass through the curvature. So from the top of the object, okay, you get to see here that it looks like that the lines are actually getting further apart from each other. Take note that there is also a reflected ray here. Okay, then yeah, it's going further apart. I'm talking for these two. Okay, then after which, what are we going to do? They're not going to intersect, right, to create an image. However, we can extend those lines backwards on the other side of the mirror. Okay, so we will extend. Let's try to use broken lines as tracing lines. We will extend. Let's assume that that is straight. Okay, and then the other line there. So we extended the line. Those lines do not cross on the opposite side of the mirror, wherever those lines cross now on the other side. Okay, so we have here where the image is. Okay, so that's the tip. If this is a balloon, this is the tip of the balloon, and that's where the image is. So we describe this using salt. What's the size of the image formed now? That is um, enlarged, right? Next, what about the attitude or the orientation? It is upright. Therefore, if it is upright, it's a virtual image. And take a look at the location. The location is found behind the mirror. Okay? So this is another case that the object is found somewhere between F and vertex, and this is where you get to find the image.